I've camped my whole life, but solo camping, that's a whole new ballgame. After a 10-year break, I've spent this year rebuilding my camping gear from scratch, and let's just say some upgrades were urgent. In this video, I'll walk you through my 3 biggest gear wins so far: a sleep system that actually works, a chair that doesn't sag, and a kitchen organization fix that saved my sanity. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and we're exploring my backyard here in the Pacific Northwest. Let's start with the biggest game changer, my sleep setup. On my first trip, I used this 4-inch inflatable sleeping pad, which was fine if you enjoy feeling every root and rock beneath you. But as a midnight bathroom break enthusiast, rolling off the ground like a stranded turtle got old real fast. Enter my 10-inch inflatable mattress. Not only is it more comfortable, but now when nature calls at 3 a.m., I can actually get up without doing a full gymnastics routine. Which, by the way, pairs perfectly with my portable toilet. No more stumbling into the woods half asleep. And yes, I may have also ordered a cot, and I'm hunting for the perfect memory foam topper. Spoiler, that's a problem for future Tori, so stay tuned to see if it's a genius move or a total disaster. Next up, my long overdue seating upgrade. My old chair, let's just say it retired itself mid-trip. Rest in peace to that duct-taped arm strap. But my new XMT chair, game changer. It's sturdy, comfy, and bonus, it pairs perfectly with this lightweight side table. No more balancing coffee on my knees like a sad picnic. Okay, I'm really excited because I have a brand new chair, and I wanted to show you a little bit about it, and it's probably the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. So let's take a quick look. It's got a cup holder that actually fits my big water bottle. It is a little cooler, so you can keep cold snacks in there and zip it up. It's also got some straps on the back here so you can adjust. Probably can't really tell, but this actual back is pretty cushiony and it's ergonomical. Anyways, it's awesome. This thing is so comfortable. Oh, and there's also a little magazine holder down there. This chair rocks. And another upgrade I have is a little table. And it's got 2 pockets so you can put things in. It's got cup holders and it's pretty sturdy. This puffy blanket is a lifesaver. There's a little bit of a wind chill that comes by, and this is keeping me quite warm. So if you don't have one, definitely pick it up. Finally, my kitchen setup's 3rd and maybe final evolution. From the original everything box to the organized bag system to this ultra lightweight kit for quick trips. This green kitchen bag was upgrade number 1. I use this when camping multiple nights with cast iron, and it's perfect when I need something sturdy with a little extra room. It's got cool pockets, got room for my canisters of butane, and there's my cast iron down there. It's a very heavy duty bag, and there's little hooks if you want to hang stuff. So I got my garbage hung right there. When I'm taking a break from cooking or going for a quick trip, this upgrade number 2 is perfect. Let's open this and I'll show you what I have inside. Okay, what I like about this bag is that there's a top compartment that you can either open from the outside on the side, the main compartment. It's got its own zipper, so that's kind of cool. I just have my little camping stove, my mess kit so I can reheat some food. I've got a windscreen in here just in case it's windy, which it has been windy today. And then I've got my butane and just a few other things in here. So it's a pretty small bag. It fits everything pretty snug. And it's exactly what I need when I'm not bringing a ton of stuff. And that's the beauty of camping gear. It's all about progress and not perfection. Whether it's a thicker mattress, a chair that doesn't collapse, or a kitchen kit that finally fits your vibe, every upgrade makes the outdoors a little more like home. What's your game-changing gear upgrade? Drop it in the comments. I'm always hunting for the next aha moment. Until next time, stay adventurous and remember, go chase your own wild.